Hi guys, today we're playing Build a Boat for Treasure. Okay, I'll put some wood. Because wood's not easily. Don't worry about this. I can easily fix it. Because I know a way how to make actual blocks. You just glitch them inside. Okay, let me... That's the music, okay?
Right, so Huey, here's a glass floor so that you can look down, okay?
I'll put 2 flowers.
And a harpoon.
I've got a harpoon. Oh, and a cannon.
No, I'm in the driver's seat. We need a security
Okay,
camera.
it's going to be right at the back.
Hey, wait. So I'll place my security camera. I'll place my magnet.
Where is your
With teleporter.
Oh, I've got... Let me put my teleporters. I know. So, what I normally do is do this. That. Look at this. He's safe, isn't it? Oh, let me just put a sign. We are definitely YouTubers, but this is a really good boat. Oh, we've got the third booster.
We need to make sure the engine's on properly. Okay, right.
No, before, let me just do my text.
Oh. Well, yes. I'm sure we'll be safe. Anyway.
This is the best boat. And we're better that. Oh no, my siren! What? My siren fell off. That's doing some typing on it.
Hey, I can't even steer. Anyway, I'm not really sure I can. I can't go through the teleporters. You can go through the teleporters.
Why?
To get back home. But I can't. I'm trapped at the bottom. If you look how much I discovered that you haven't.
To the top?
Yeah.
And that's not the box button.
I know, it's not even a boss battle.
That's the way. Normal people would like it. Like That's good. Fire coming out of that.
Look.
We're going to save that. That means...
Guess I'm gonna have to make this. Whoa, Huey, did you just discover this stage?
Yes!
I did.
I just discovered.
No, actually, no, I've been here before.
Oh,
Yeah, I've been here before. Whoa. I hate it when it's
Yeah. And I hate it when you fly right out the map with these boosters. Cause I don't think
are we ever gonna make it?
Someone's made it to the treasure already. How?
Oh dude, I accidentally set off another one. Don't worry, they'll well off soon.
Well, eventually. to do from the step.
No, he's gone back a stage.
Now we're going forward to step.
No.